Namaste.
In schools, all relations are so boring.
If we do some activities with them,
It will be amazing and fun for us.
so let's do some fun.
Wait.
What happened?
First, we have to introduce ourselves.
Yeah, you are right. So guys, I Ritika Sahu from class 8.
And I, Saswati Patnam of class 8,
We are the student of Sri Radhiji Mandir Trust
Guwahati Public School, Kitlagan,
from Odisha. Let's start our science activity.
from our science textbook of class 8,
Activity 6.2.
from chapter 6, combustion and flame.
Two candles and place them like this.
Then burn the candles.
Then take two jars and place over the candle.
Before that, put some wooden blocks in such a way that air can enter the jar.
In this case, the air can enter from the gap, so the candle is still burning.
In this case, the air was unable to enter the jar, so that the candle blows out.
By doing this activity, we conclude that the air is necessary for combustion.
So that's all for the moment.
Thank you and Jai Jagannath.